In this episode, we suffer a storm, get some lines in the water, Captain Man gets spooled,
he's gonna spool me,
and we actually hook a few fish.
We snorkeled around the Sapona, which was freaking cool. Decided to do a little hog dogging, which is where you take a hand line and you drop it down and catch some fish. Caught a bunch of little ones, but it was hard. There's too many fish right here, like all the bait fish and stuff because of the wreck. It's hard to get past the actual bait fish. So I caught a couple of little small ones, decent size, but nothing I wanted to actually keep. But it's still pretty cool, still really fun.
Oh, we had an awesome day. Got to jump off the wreck. Got to see the drone fly, which is pretty cool. Awesome day. Now we got to go catch some fish. It's raining, but it's beautiful. I don't think the heavy stuff's going to come down for a while.
A tuna. He's really strong and he's fighting really hard. He's not getting wore down very fast, so we'll see, but I bet he's a tuna. He feels tuna-like. What I thought was a tuna, not a tuna, shark. You know what? It is Shark Week, so
got something worth keeping on the boat. Triggerfish. Apparently it's good. I don't know. I've never seen one. Honesty.
Spool me. Yeah, he's gonna spool me. Yep. He's got spooled. And a fish spools a 40-pound drag rod. Holy cow.
Got one of them seawater fishes.
Seawater fish.
Oh my god. I just got spooled. 40-pound drag. Did you see that, Grant? I just got spooled, like quickly, on 80-pound braid, 80-pound leader, and he ran this thing faster than I could even do anything. What a shark, he was too fast, so wow. I'm done bottom fishing.
Saving the ocean, one beer can at a time.
Gust of wind blew my innocent beer can down. I had to go save the ocean.
In next week's episode, we swim with eagle rays, get the drone up, catch more seawater creatures, and back to the Sapona where I vlog like a legend.
Good on you, America!
The Frigate Chaser hat giveaway continues. Winners will be selected based on comments made on our 4-part Bimini series. Winners will be announced shortly after Part 4 hits the tube. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, or you could just miss out. Make sure you like the video as it makes us feel awesome and helps YouTube decide whether or not to suggest our videos. And we want to be seen, so see you next time.